Hi guys, if you have not seen the videos posted on Google Classroom, please make sure that you go and do so. I also posted a new announcement on the stream related to the process we will be taking on Tuesday as far as getting signed into Zoom. Okay. What we did in class is step by step. We went through upgrading our Zoom accounts. So if you haven't already done so, please make sure that you watch the video or follow the step-by-step directions so that way you can sign in on Tuesday without problems. Okay, so here are the step-by-step that we did in class. I'm pretty sure that the video and the directions are a good way for you to follow along and upgrade your accounts. Okay. So our learning target for today is to solve multi-step inequalities. And the way we're going to do that is by splitting up our problem down the inequality sign this time. We're not solving for equations, we're solving for inequalities now. We look at each side to simplify. If we cannot simplify, then we move to rearranging our problem so that we have variables on one side of the inequality and numbers on the other. And then we're going to solve our inequality for the variable, okay? If you have not done so, there is a quiz assigned to you in BrainPop, so make sure that you are clicking the link that I posted in Google Classroom, okay? You have got to be signed into Launchpad first in order for you to have access to your BrainPop, okay? I'm going to try clicking it. Let's see if it takes me to where I need to be. It did not take me to where I needed to be, so I need to make sure I'm in Launchpad. I signed in through Launchpad. If you cannot see BrainPop, if you type it in the search bar, you can click on it. It will take you there. You don't have to do this part, switching schools. I'm not sure how it has me set up as another. But you should have a notification telling you that there are things assigned to you. That is where you need to go and fill out your quiz, okay? Okay, when you get into BrainPop, yours should look something like this. These are the 3 things that you have assigned to you. Graphing and solving inequalities video, we saw this in class. If you'd like to take a look at it, go ahead and watch that. The one that you have to submit for a grade is this one, the movie quiz, okay? There's a game that you can play to help you further understand inequalities if you'd like to try that. Okay, the other assignment we had in class was a Khan Academy assignment. The title is Multi-Step Inequalities. Okay, I did post in Google Classroom that tells you to go to Khan Academy and do this assignment. It is assigned to you already. There's 4 questions that you need to work on. You will use the Jamboard attached to that assignment, guys, to show me your work. Okay, if you do not show me your work, you will not receive full credit. If you do not want to do your work on Jamboard, then you can submit a picture of it by attaching it to the assignment. Okay, so let's see if Khan Academy takes me where I need to be. Okay, yes, it took me to multi-step linear inequalities. This is where you see the problem that you're doing. And then here in Jamboard is where you're going to show me your work. So I made 4 slides for you. Okay, I gave you some helpful tips or reminders of what you need to do in order to receive full credit. Okay, so what we need to make sure that we are submitting, guys, make sure you submit your BrainPop, make sure that you submit your Khan Academy, and make sure that you submit your Jamboard slides that show me your work. Okay, if you do not submit the Jamboard, you can submit a picture of your assignment, okay, showing me the steps that you did with your answers in a box. Okay, as always, guys, you can reach out to me for help. Have a good weekend.